Hey Jackie,
And you have,
you know what? I tried a solution using Python dictionary
yeah,
and I can now extract the data and show it into my map page, but still is just textual information, no graph. Where is it? Where's the
yeah,
graph?
yeah. So indeed, in JSON, you extract your information, so just what you want, and you send that to the web page. But here you're missing a step that you should add to this JSON structure a description of how the visualization should look like.
Uh-huh. But then it's still a description of my visualization, right?
Right. So you receive JSON, and here you need three different languages.
Three different languages.
Yeah. Well, we have HTML.
Uh-huh.
That is for the structure of your page. So that the fact that you want a header here, a section, another section, maybe a footer. This is the structure of the page. And then you have CSS.
Uh-huh.
That's typically for the style of your page. So that's your header is going to be blue, and that you're going to have 50 pixels between the two sections, for instance.
I see.
And then the third one is going to be JavaScript.
JavaScript. What does it do?
Well, it does the behavior part of your page. So if you described, for instance, that your visualization should react to the click of the user to show the actual value for each bars, well, that is going to be taken care of by JavaScript.
Oh, okay. So that means I need to dive into these three different languages now.
Yeah, but think, it's a nice separation of concern. If you want to take care only about the structure, well, as a designer, you can just model that in HTML. Or if you're more on the side of styling the page, well, you can look only at the CSS part, right?
Yeah.
So that's a nice way to
dividing the responsibilities between
Indeed.
designers and colleagues.
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, I think I'm gonna learn three of this now, and we'll see how I'm gonna come up with.
Sure, let's give it a try.
Yes, thank you.